Hello. Uh, First of all, good morning. And I want to share some of my bad memories. Guys, I'm really sorry that you like that bad, crowded house. I know I shouldn't, but I made trouble for myself and for others. So I just have to now stay carefully and to see what's happened later. Because what I found it was most horrible bad in my whole life and in the whole world. Yeah, and I just cannot take it anymore. It's so bad memories. Yeah, and I just decided to tell guys don't like crowded house. Because if you will like, you can lose jobs, get suspended or dropped out from the high school, from any high school, yeah, from school, from any school, yeah, and something like that. And so just stay away from that band. Even looks not scary, something's funny, but they're like that, they're bad. Yeah, bad band. Yeah. And I wanted to share more stuff about Crowded House. House of the Rising Sun. Yeah. I found out I already told story in my older video. I just don't know when I will come back to my place and we'll talk about how it's bad cold. Yeah, and it was so horrible that I never believed. But it wasn't my fault, my father found so. I wouldn't find by myself this band, so that he didn't. Yeah, and I later started to know. My one teacher knows, many people knows. Yeah, and it is free. Oh, that's from Australia. Try to stay away. Yeah. Foi. And, and what else? Okay, now this video will be short. Okay, bye guys. Bye.